Hi everyone, in this video I will be showing you how to view private account on Instagram. Well, if you look for that feature or option inside the application, unfortunately you cannot see an option there that you can view someone's account if it's private. For example, this one, you cannot really view someone's Instagram if it's private. So the very first thing you should do here, other people would prefer to exit the application and then go to Google web browser and then look for a website where it could help them view a private account. But actually, this type of method is too risky and it's not really advisable. However, if you want to try, you can go to Google web browser, then you can type this one, and then all you have to do is to copy that link or URL or that link on that specific account and then paste it right here, searched, and you will see some of the details of that private account. However, again, it's not suggested and it's not recommended since it's too risky for your device. You could also go to Play Store and then look for that specific application that can help you view that account. And again, it's not advisable or recommended because some of these applications are fake and some of these applications are too risky to install to your device because it may cause something that will make your device lag or it will cause some errors on your other applications. But everything is up to you. All you have to do is to do the same. You just have copy the link and then paste it right there, and it will help you view the specific account. But if you ask me, the best way to view someone's private account is to create a new account, follow the friends of this person. So at least you have your mutual friends. So you just have to follow what this person or who this person followed. And then after that, you can try to search again this person's account and then follow him or her. Then if this person see that you have the same or mutual followers or following, then I think this person will accept you and you can now view his or her account. So this is the best way for me. At least it's not too risky to your phone or to your device or to your other application. So if you have found this video helpful, please do like and subscribe to our channel. And if you want to suggest other topics, please do comment down below. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.